All right, in the second part of the video, we're going to work with sigma notation, sometimes called summation notation, which is just another way of writing sequences in series. So this first particular sigma notation represents all the values from when n is 1, so you can see your beginning value, to 8 for the value 2n minus 3. So if you put a 1 in for n, you get 2 times 1 minus 3, which is a negative 1, plus, then n becomes a 2. If you put 2 in there, 2 times 2 minus 3 is 1. Then you put 3 in there and you get 3. You put 5 in, you get 7. Or you put 4 in there, sorry, you get 5. You put 5 in there, you get 7. 6 would give you 9. 7 would give you 11. And 8 would give you 13. And then it's the sum of these 8 numbers. Now, we could just add them up, or using the formula for the sum of the arithmetic series, we'd have 8 divided by 2, negative 1 plus 13. So it'd be 4 times 12, which is 48. This next one, when n is 1 to 10, of 2 times 3 to the n minus 1. So this is a geometric series. If we put 1 in for n, it'd be 2 times 3 to the 0 power, which is 2. And then it would be, we'd put 2 in for n, which is 2 times 3 to the first, which would be 6. And we'd continue to do that. And we would see that this is a geometric series with a ratio of 3 and a first term of 2. There are 10 terms, so to find the sum of these first 10, it would be the first term times 1 minus 3 to the 10th power, all over 1 minus 3. You can see the bottom gives you negative 2. We could then just do 1 minus 3 to the 10th. We could multiply by 2, and we could divide by negative 2. And that gives us a sum of 59,048. So sigma notation is a quick and easy way of writing out a sum of numbers or a series. Now, let's work with this with infinite series. So this one is n equals 1 to infinity. So there are an infinite number of terms of 3n plus 2. Now, if you put a 1 in there, you get 5. If you put 2 in, you get 8. If you put 3 in, you get 11. And we see it's an arithmetic infinite series. No sum would exist. Because remember, the sum of an infinite series only exists if it's geometric and your ratio is less than 1. Recognizing this formula, this would be a geometric series with the first term of 3 and a ratio of 2. So once again, there'd be no sum for this one. For this one, looks like if we put 1 in for n, we take 4 times 1/4 to the first, which is 1. Then we put 2 in for n, it'd be 4 times 1/16, which is 1/4. And you can see this is a geometric series with a ratio of 1/4. So this is an infinite geometric series, and its ratio is less than 1. So to find the formula, or the sum of this, it'd be first term over 1 minus the r value, which is 1/4. So it's 1 over 3/4, which is 4/3, or 1.3 repeating.